Welcome Home to Scotland by G. Morrison. Welcome home to your motherland, the land that's in your blood. Come awa nou vriend, and we'll shake your hand. We stem for the Morris seed. Your were kith and kin, and your welcome in. Mine were hearts bleed the same. Tak your sail, your wife, and your daughter and son, and come visit the land o' your hame. We've the hills and the heelings and the cliffs round our sea, where the land o' your clans for Gold Eagle flees free. We've got keelies and pipes and a' kinds of sounds, and bonny wee quines and strapping young loons. Welcome to the Hielands and the Lowlands alike. We mag seem to be tjoch, but we dinna bite. Tak your gansie van kaal and your trunks van its head. Come hame to your hame and taste fine Scottish meat. Be proud for your hame, for your folkies came fae, and see fit they seen fin they live it their day. Look through their een and see fit they seen, and feel fit they felt, and far they had been. It flows through your blood since they planted a seed. Come awa hame and comfort at need.